You look so cute.
What's up, guys? Andrew Williams, and we're gonna get our makeup done by Leeson today.
Friends, family, dearly beloveds, we've gathered here today for the funeral of Andrew's man card.
This is the lotion that I use every day. It's just like a daily moisturizer. We're gonna use primer that'll keep the makeup on, even though you're gonna be washing it right off. We're just trying to do every step. When I do this, it's kind of stupid because the lotion moisturizes and this dries because it's mattifying.
What does that mean?
Which makes you not shiny. You gotta have a good base. This also minimizes pores. I don't want beauty gurus to come at me. I don't know if you do concealer or foundation first, but I do foundation first.
Okay.
Because then whatever the foundation doesn't cover, you use the stick to get it. This is one of the only fancy items that I have. Kat Von D foundation. And I use a brush to just like kind of place it first. And then I kind of like rub it in as much as I can with the brush. And then, good old beauty blender, you gotta wet it. And then I usually squeeze it on a towel. And this is pale. Even for Andrew, because he's dark, he's redder than me. Because you're red. You have like red undertone.
To use red eyeshadow.
Because like it's a little too pale for me, like especially in the summer. So I put some bronzer on top. The next darker shade was too dark. So I was like, I'd rather get a lighter one and darken it than being too dark. Oh my god, it's so pale. You look like a ghost. Like you look clear,
I
but
definitely do look clear.
but too pale. It's kind of going into your forehead wrinkles.
Oh, I have forehead wrinkles?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna darken this with some cheap ass bronzer, which I don't even know if this is gonna look good because you're red. So really I need red something, but it's fine.
Thanks, babe.
That looks better.
Does it?
I need to wipe it.
Oh, I definitely don't look as pale.
Do you think you look pretty? I like to finish everything with this. It's a mattifying powder foundation. The other thing is bronzer, which darkens this. This has no color. It just mattifies and sets everything. Does it look bad?
I think it looks very good. My eyebrows look like blonder.
Because there's a bunch of foundation over them. I mean, we're gonna do the eyebrows, but like right now you look a little scary because your lips. You need chapstick. Oh, you look so pretty.
Do I?
Yeah. I'm gonna use this blush. It's Physicians Formula. Ooh, that's pretty actually.
Is it?
I should use this. And I also take it all the way from the hairline
From here?
to my nose. I just take my blush
And go crazy with it.
and go crazy with it, yeah. So I take this again and I put it over the blush. And I think this does something. Contouring. So I'll take this and put it like under here to give myself a jawline. It's called Naked Illuminating.
Ooh.
Also, most people have like a highlighter brush. I use the brush that it came with. But see, this highlighter, technically, most people would not think it's a good one because it falls all over your face and just makes you glittery.
Oh.
I like that I'm like just sparkly all over. I think you look beautiful. Next, we're gonna do eyes. Okay, first, let's do some of this like light glittery just directly underneath. YouTubers have like these beautiful like Kylie palettes and I'm just like, yeah, I've been using this since high school. Let's mix this one and this one. And we're gonna put this all over the lid. Makeup goes really well on you. And we're gonna take this into the crease.
Shout out Corey.
Hang on.
I look like the mermaid from the little, like the bad mermaid from the Little Mermaid.
I'm gonna be putting on fake eyelashes. But should I do eyeliner first?
I don't know anything about anything, so.
Me either, we're doing eyeliner first. Blonde eyelashes?
Maybe.
Why does it look like it doesn't connect to your eye? It looks like it's hovering over your eye. I can't believe I got it on.
Am I pretty?
You're so pretty. Oh my god. I think he looks like a drag queen. What color lipstick?
What do you think?
Did you ever think this would be your life?
No.
You're like, one day I'm gonna have a
Zero girls kiss in high school and I got girls' butt makeup on me.
like this is quality.
Oh yeah, we're taking pictures.
This is quality content.
We're taking pictures for the gram. There's just like no imperfections.
You look scared.
Right? It don't look terrifying if I open my eyes up.
I like it. Like I love fake like big eyelashes. I think
I like eyelashes. I just think that his eyes are dark.
Like give me shook. I like how like it makes my skin look.
I know. I think I think the
He's
best.
gonna start wearing.
I think the best parts are the lashes and that your skin looks like flawless.
Picture time.
Oh my god, like you're pretty.
Thank you.
Like I would still sleep with you.
Really? Ooh.
Queen!
How do I look?
Oh my god.
Sound like a girl?
Lady Gaga. You're literally Lady Gaga.
Oh yeah.
Babe, you haven't even looked in the mirror. Oh
Boobs.
Oh, look at you, booty snap.
Man, I have some ugly ass legs.
How hard is it to be a girl?
I would never go through all this time to look pretty on a Friday.
Definitely have a new respect for women
Yeah.
after how long that took. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a new understanding for women. I hope people don't like look at this video and think that I'm like different because I tried my girl's makeup. I thought it'd be like a fun experience. Put me in a women's shoes. That's why I did it. Definitely like changed my perspective on how much time and effort girls put into just like putting makeup about their like daily lives. I kind of just wake up, shower, and go to work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any comments on what I should have done, different hair products or like a wig, because I kind of fully decked out on this one, but everything was chosen by my girlfriend Lisa. Just leave a comment below. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like, let me know your thoughts on the videos, and subscribe.